pull this tire off this wheel, I think. I'm going to attempt to. And the first thing you want to do when you're pulling a tire off the wheel is look and see where the bead locks in. Like on a truck tire, the tire, or a truck tire wheel, the tire has to come off a certain side of the wheel. You're not going to get it off one side. There's one side you can't get it off and one side that it has to come off. This wheel is the same on both sides. So pretty much doesn't matter, I don't think. But I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to start over here from the non-valve stem side. Ooh, I don't know, this may be a flavor. It doesn't. Maybe not as bad as I thought. Okay, so I'm in there with that. Then I can get in there with one more. Get this started. And usually a smaller bite is better than a big bite. So if you do it like that, and you get you a smaller bite instead of coming too far over here, then that helps. And then I can pull the screwdriver out and get another bite and work that sucker right on around like so. Every time I'm making a video, right? Hello? Yeah. Okay. Salesman. Alright, so anyway, we got it off on one side. Now, And there you go. And it's just the reverse of that, basically. Put that dude back on. Now on a big truck tire, the way we always did it, you soap up your tire, here's your wheel. You take that tire, now it's a lot bigger. It's a 22.5 or 22.45 tire, and it's kind of standing up on its edge like this, but it's all soaked up and wet, and you can take that sucker and just go wham like that and hit it on that wheel. And most of the time you'll get it almost all the way under. You might have to come inside and bump the bead a little bit with a hammer, but it'll go right on the wheel. Easy peasy. The smaller the tires, seems like the tougher they are. I don't know why. Big tires, pretty easy. Probably because the way they make the wheels, like on truck tires, like I said, one side the tire will come off, on the other side it won't. So anyway, if you got to do your lawnmower tire at home, it's not that big a deal. I don't know. We just put this tube in there because the tire had a bad spot in it where I think we'd hit something right here. We'd hit something with the, probably a piece of steel, and knocked a hole in the sidewall. So we just put a tube in it for temporary. And then the tube hit something. The tube hit something, yeah. The tube didn't hit something, we hit something. Anyway, and poked a hole in the tube. So, I don't know, I might check this tube and see if I can find the spot that it's messed up. And patch that and put the tube back in the tubeless tire. And roll with that for a bit. So, we'll see.